Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to log out of the Wix Mobile. Uh, so let's get started. First, open your Wix app on your phone. Then make sure you are logged into your account. Uh, then tap on the manage option on from here. Then and then tap on the profile icon, your profile icon from top left corner. Now find app settings and then select you will see an option logout. Just tap on it and tap on logout again. uh, if you can find the logout option, try updating the app or checking Wix Help Center for the latest instructions. That's it, and that's how you can log out of Wix mobile app. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.